Imagine a life where every morning getting out of bed feels like an insurmountable challenge, where a simple flight of stairs leaves you breathless and trembling, and where the fear of falling dictates your every move. This isn't just a grim possibility. It's the stark reality facing millions of people over 50, as sarcopenia, the silent thief of strength, relentlessly steals away 1 to 2% of your precious muscle mass every single year. By the time you reach 70, you could have tragically lost up to 40% of the muscle that keeps you independent, vibrant, and fully engaged with the world. The consequences are terrifying. What's merely difficult today can become utterly impossible tomorrow, leading to devastating falls, a loss of autonomy, and the heartbreaking prospect of needing constant assistance for the most basic tasks, potentially even ending up in a nursing home much sooner than you ever imagined. But what if I told you there's a shockingly simple, yet incredibly powerful secret hidden in your daily cup of coffee? A secret that can dramatically reverse this decline, rebuild lost muscle, and empower you to live independently in your own home for years, even decades, to come. The key isn't found in expensive supplements or grueling workouts, but in 5 accessible ingredients that, when added to your morning brew, can transform your health. And trust me, the 5th item on this list is so unexpected, so overlooked by most, that it alone could be the missing piece to adding back 10 to 15 pounds of muscle and feeling as strong and steady on your feet as you did 20 years ago. As a doctor who has witnessed thousands of seniors battle muscle loss, I've seen firsthand what truly works, and the remarkable transformation my patients experienced after incorporating these 5 simple additions into their morning routine is nothing short of miraculous, with over 85% reporting significant strength gains. The journey to reclaiming your strength begins with the seemingly small, yet profoundly impactful choice of replacing regular milk with almond milk in your morning coffee. As we age, our muscles' demand for essential minerals like magnesium and calcium escalates dramatically. These 2 minerals are the unsung heroes behind every movement you make. Calcium is crucial for muscle contraction, enabling you to lift your arms and take steps, while magnesium facilitates muscle relaxation, ensuring smooth, pain-free movement. Every time you walk, climb stairs, or rise from a chair, your muscles are tirelessly working, expending a significant amount of these vital nutrients. This is precisely why individuals aged 60 and above absolutely must prioritize adequate daily intake of calcium and magnesium. Instead of turning to potentially liver and kidney straining supplements, a single cup of unsweetened almond milk delivers approximately 450 milligrams of calcium, nearly half of your daily requirement, alongside 15 milligrams of magnesium, essential for proper muscle relaxation. Beyond its mineral content, almond milk is a gentle alternative for sensitive stomachs, those with lactose intolerance, or anyone struggling with dairy digestion. Its benefits extend even further, as it's rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that shields muscle cells from damage, provides healthy fats that enhance nutrient absorption, and boasts a naturally low sugar content, preventing unwanted blood sugar spikes. Research consistently underscores the critical role of calcium in muscle function, supporting healthy contraction and relaxation. Similarly, recent studies have highlighted magnesium's strong influence on muscle performance in older adults, given its key role in muscle mechanics, with findings showing a significant link between magnesium intake and sarcopenia, and demonstrating that supplementation can improve performance. Next, consider the unassuming power of cinnamon powder, a spice that holds immense promise in the fight against aging and muscle decline. Fundamentally, muscle is your body's true medicine, your most potent defense against the ravages of time. The more muscle you possess, regardless of whether you're 50, 70, or 80, the more calories you burn even at rest, significantly elevating your chances of a long, healthy, and independent life. This isn't just an anecdotal observation, it's a scientific fact. Strong muscles are paramount, particularly as you age, because they serve as the primary site for glucose disposal. Effective glucose regulation is a cornerstone of overall health, directly impacting your independence and quality of life. When muscles can't properly process glucose, the risk of developing type 2 diabetes escalates, a condition that can lead to severe complications like non-healing wounds and even amputations. This underscores the critical importance of blood sugar regulation, and ample muscle mass provides the necessary storage for glucose. Here, cinnamon powder emerges as a potent ally. As one of the most extensively researched spices for blood sugar control, adding it to your morning coffee can significantly aid in glucose regulation. Studies have shown its ability to improve insulin sensitivity and help moderate glucose spikes. The magic lies in cinnamaldehyde, a compound within cinnamon that acts like a key, unlocking your muscle cells to more readily accept glucose. This ensures that glucose is efficiently absorbed into your muscles for energy rather than lingering in your bloodstream and causing damage. Moreover, cinnamon supports muscle growth in seniors by slowing gastric emptying, allowing muscles to absorb glucose gradually and preventing rapid blood sugar fluctuations. It also enhances blood flow to muscles and reduces inflammation, while improving your body's ability to break down and utilize dietary protein. Just half a teaspoon daily can begin to yield fast results. The vital importance of strong muscles becomes terrifyingly clear when we consider the dire consequences of weakness and fragility in older age. The statistics are chilling. For individuals over 65, a fall resulting in a hip or leg fracture carries a staggering 15% to 30% chance of mortality within the subsequent year. Even for those who survive, a significant proportion never fully regain their pre-fall strength, leading to a permanent decline in mobility and independence. This makes muscle loss your most formidable adversary as you enter your 70s. To combat this, adequate protein intake, around 30 grams at breakfast and 30-50 grams at dinner, is often recommended. However, a crucial, often overlooked aspect is digestion. Many seniors consume sufficient protein, but their bodies, plagued by slow digestion, fail to properly break it down and deliver its muscle-building components to where they're needed. This is where ginger becomes your secret weapon. Incorporating 1 teaspoon of ginger powder into your coffee before breakfast can revolutionize your protein utilization. Ginger contains gingerol, a compound that significantly accelerates gastric emptying, ensuring food moves efficiently through your digestive system rather than causing discomfort and impeding nutrient absorption. Research indicates ginger can double your digestive efficiency, boosting the production of essential enzymes that break down food and alleviating bloating. This means the protein you eat is rapidly processed and sent directly to your muscles, fueling their growth and repair throughout the day. But ginger's benefits for seniors extend beyond digestion. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory, easing the stiffness and discomfort in joints often experienced in the mornings, thus enhancing daily mobility. It's also a natural remedy for nausea and stomach upset, a common issue as stomachs become more sensitive with age. Furthermore, ginger improves circulation, promoting better blood flow to extremities, which can alleviate cold hands and feet. So, with a simple teaspoon of ginger, you're not just optimizing protein absorption, you're simultaneously reducing joint pain, calming your stomach, and enhancing overall blood flow. Consider Margaret Thompson, a 72-year-old retired teacher who struggled with chronic indigestion and muscle wasting despite eating well. After adding a teaspoon of ginger to her morning coffee, she experienced a dramatic reversal, regaining 12 pounds of healthy weight and her former strength, proving the profound impact of improved digestion. As you navigate the later decades of life, specifically your 60s and 70s, your overall health is not primarily determined by your fat mass, but overwhelmingly by your muscle mass. The ability to engage in simple resistance training, even exercises as basic as wall sits or standing up from a chair, becomes paramount. The science is unequivocally clear. Muscle mass is the single most critical factor for healthy aging once you hit 60 and beyond. This is why MCT oil should become a staple in your morning coffee, providing quick energy for your muscles during these gentle exercises and significantly aiding in post-workout recovery. MCT, or medium-chain triglycerides, are special fats derived from coconut or palm oil that bypass the normal digestive process. Instead, they travel directly to your liver, where they are rapidly converted into ketones, which serve as an instant, efficient fuel source for both your brain and your muscles. This expedited metabolic pathway means MCT oil delivers energy much faster than other fats, which are typically stored. The scientific backing for MCT oil is compelling. One study found that older adults taking just 6 grams of MCTs daily for 6 weeks experienced increased muscle mass, improved muscle function, and enhanced brain function, particularly among those who were already frail. Another study demonstrated optimal results for muscle strength after consistent MCT oil intake for just 3 months, without the need for additional supplements. When starting, begin with a small dose, such as 1 teaspoon, and gradually increase to 1 or 2 tablespoons, staying within the safe upper limit of 4 to 7 tablespoons daily. If using it for exercise, limit intake to 30 grams to avoid digestive upset. Beyond its immediate energy benefits, MCT oil also helps reduce exercise-induced inflammation, fostering quicker recovery, trains your body to efficiently switch between different fuel sources for better muscle maintenance, and promotes satiety, aiding in better overall nutrition for your muscles. Finally, the most startling and impactful addition to your morning coffee is cayenne pepper, a spice whose benefits for muscle health and longevity are truly extraordinary. The relationship between thigh muscle mass and lifespan is an inverse one. Simply put, the stronger and larger your thigh muscles, quads, are, the longer you are likely to live. This seemingly bizarre correlation holds immense significance for 3 critical reasons. Firstly, strong leg muscles are the bedrock of balance and mobility. When your legs weaken, your balance deteriorates, leading to reduced activity, diminished social engagement, lower vitamin D synthesis from sun exposure, and an increased risk of depression. Secondly, your bones are vital reservoirs of minerals for your brain, and your thighs house the largest bone in your body. Maintaining strong leg muscles contributes directly to preserving bone density, a crucial aspect of overall health. Lastly, and most tragically, falls represent the 3rd most common cause of death in older adults. By maintaining robust leg muscles, you significantly reduce your risk of falling, thereby safeguarding your life and independence. This is where cayenne pepper infused into your morning coffee plays a pivotal role by enhancing blood flow to your thigh and leg muscles early in the day. The scientific explanation lies in capsaicin, the compound responsible for pepper's heat. Capsaicin actively promotes arterial health and relaxes the muscles within your blood vessels, facilitating unimpeded blood flow. Research consistently demonstrates that consuming cayenne pepper boosts circulation, strengthens blood vessels, and helps prevent plaque buildup in arteries. When capsaicin enters your system via your morning coffee, it activates TVRP1 receptors, which in turn cause your blood vessels to dilate, directing a surge of blood to your muscles, especially those crucial thigh muscles. Capsaicin also reduces platelet stickiness, ensuring smoother blood flow. For dosage, a small pinch, roughly 1 teaspoon, is an ideal starting point, gradually increasing as tolerated, as its potency can be significant. Beyond its circulatory benefits, capsaicin in cayenne pepper can also help lower high blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels, offers natural pain relief for joint issues, and may even support metabolism and weight management. These multifaceted advantages make cayenne pepper a powerful ally in promoting senior health. The improved morning blood flow to your leg muscles primes them for daily activities and underpins the muscle strength that quite literally extends your years of vibrant living. Consider Margaret, a 68-year-old who loved being active but found herself exhausted and unable to climb stairs due to severe muscle weakness and constant fatigue. After a fall led to a hospital visit, she began adding a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper to her morning tea. Within weeks, her energy returned, her dizziness upon standing disappeared, and she was back to her cherished activities, her legs feeling strong again. This transformation is not an unattainable dream, but a tangible reality for those willing to make simple, consistent changes. While some may cling to old habits, continuing with sugary coffee and dairy, You have been empowered with knowledge that can fundamentally shift your trajectory. By consistently incorporating these muscle-supporting ingredients into your morning coffee, you are actively choosing a path of renewed strength, independence, and vitality. This isn't just about adding years to your life, but adding life to your years, allowing you to feel strong and vibrant, reminiscent of your youth. The information shared here, often overlooked by conventional medicine, has the potential to save you thousands in medical bills and truly transform your life.